Welcome everybody to a new tutorial from A.Ideal Academy, where we provide practical AI and automation tutorials that you can use today. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn how to create and configure your Pinecone Index and generate an API key so you can start embedding and searching today. By the end of this video, you'll have a newly created Pinecone account, a configured index, and an API key generated. Okay, so the first step is to open your browser and navigate to pinecone.io. Once there, you're going to want to create an account. Follow the instructions on screen, either by using your email and verifying the code that's sent to you, or using one of the single sign-on options. Okay, so once you've created your account, the first screen that you're going to be shown is a newly generated API key. Now, if you intend to use the default API key that's been generated by Pinecone for you, ensure that you copy it at this point and save it somewhere safe, because it won't be available again. So we're going to click copy and then store that in our environment variables. Once this is done, you can close this screen. And the next step in creating your index is to click the button Create Index. Okay, the first thing we're going to need to do is to give the index a name. Now this should relate to the purpose of which the index is intended for. So we're going to call ours Demo Index. Once this is done, you're then going to need to select which embedding model is going to be used for your index. For this demo, we're going to use OpenAI's small embedding model. This is a general purpose embedding model that's also very cost effective. The next piece of configuration you're going to need to set is the dimensions. As we can see here, it's defaulted to 512. However, we're going to want to change that to 1536. Dimensions relates to the length of the vector, so this model outputs a vector length of 1536. Once you've selected your dimensions, the next option you're going to need to select is the cloud provider. Now, under the Pinecone free account, the options available to you will be AWS, followed by a region of US East 1. Now, this is where your index is going to be hosted. If you did want to choose a different region, you'll need to upgrade to their paid account. So that's it. We've set a name for our index, the embedding model that's going to be used, the region that it's going to be hosted in, and the cloud provider. You can then click Create Index. And that's it. Account created, index named and configured, and API key generated and stored safely. If you found this tutorial useful, you can also grab the one-page PDF cheat sheet from the link below. I'm Daniel from A.Ideal Academy, where we help real businesses reduce costs and increase revenue through AI and automation.